After we went outside and observed the nature, we went to the lab and we experiment. So with the bee, we learn more about how to save materials. So how can we learn with the bee and how can we demonstrate that to the kids? Doing some bubbles. And now, if I take a picture and show to you, you can see here So if we look here, we can see an hexagon. So this shape is what bees do, and they are very clever because nature is very clever. And so the bees, they save materials using this special shape. And now, what can we learn with the trees? If we look to the trunk of a tree, that shape, we know that shape is very strong and resistant. So we can use a piece of paper and do a shape similar to a trunk of a tree. So let's see how many books we can put on the top of this paper. With the snail, we learn how optimize space. With eggs, we learn how strong they can be.